Greetings everyone, welcome to today's video. On today's lesson we are going to look at construction specifically 2022 paper 2 internal exam. And before we proceed, I just want to ask, if you've not subscribed, I request you do so. So this is, what is the question? This is the question we'll be constructing. Okay, this is the question we'll be answering. Construct a parallelogram. All right, now before we start constructing, we need to know the tools or the instruments we'll be using. So one of the instruments is this one. This is called a compass. All right, this is called a compass. All right, there's just a pencil there. And this is called a protractor, which is used to measure angles. Then the compass is used to bisect a line. All right, to bisect a line or to draw arcs. Then another instrument that we need is a ruler. Okay, we need a ruler, preferably a 30 centimeter rule. This one is an 18 centimeter rule and it's very good. All right, so now, and of course you need an eraser. I have in here. Okay, let's get started. Oh, and a plain paper, by the way. You need a plain paper. All right, so let's read this question. The question reads, construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB is 10 centimeters, AD is equal to BC, which is 6.5 centimeters. So here it means that these two sides are the same. AD and BC are the same. And then we have angle BAD is 110 degrees, and the angle ABC is 70 degrees. All right, this looks better. So now let's construct. Let me just put this question here. All right, so we get our ruler. Okay, and we just measure. So this is the base, by the way. We draw the base. Okay, we draw the base, which is 10 centimeters. So from zero here up to 10 centimeters here. All right, so you make sure that your construction is neat. So this is, I can start from 10 here. All right, so this is AB and it's 10 centimeters. AB and it's 10 centimeters. Okay, then another question is, if you look at this question, it's saying, another statement is AD is equal to BC, which is equal to 6.5 centimeters. So we are going to use the same compass, our compass here, and measure 6.5 centimeters. All right, 6.5. So this is 0, from 0 up to 6. This is 6, and then this is 6.5 here. This is 6.5, and then we just strike an arc. So we go at A. We know that our D is up here. So we just strike an arc like this. I think this is good. Since we have the same distance, AD and BC somewhere here, they have the same distance, which is 6.5. So we'll not tamper with the measurement or the radius of the 6.5, the radius of our compass here. All right, we're done there. The next thing the next thing is to draw the angle. Now the other thing that you need to know is that from A, everywhere here in this arc is 6.5. Now we don't know where exactly the line is. It can either be here, here, or here. So what would really tell us exactly where the line is passing is the angle BAD. And angle BAD, according to the question here, angle BAD is 110 degrees. So that's when the protractor is used. Okay, so this is the base and this is the top part of it. So make sure you put it at the middle letter, which is A, BAG. So it's BAD somewhere here. So let's put it here. Make sure that this cross is at this end. Okay, make sure this side is in the same straight line here. Okay, all right, this is good. Now where do you start reading from? Do you start reading from this side or this side? Now the thing is that you start reading from where the line is. So the line is on the right hand side, so we start reading from the right hand side. If the line is on the left hand side here, left side, then we start reading from the left side. And I think that is a good explanation where you can know where to start reading from. Now you use we use the inner readings here. The readings that are inside, because they start from 0. They start from 180, so you can't be going from 180 up to whatever. So you start from 0, 10. So 110 is here, which is 70 here on the outer readings. So this is 110. So where there is 70 here and 110, just put a mark. Okay, put a mark. That mark I've indicated here, it's not that the line should end here. It means that the line is passing through that point. Okay, so let's just connect, draw a convenient line passing through that mark. Okay, like this, we are good to go. So now this line, where this line is crossing with this arc, that's where our D is. And this is 6.5 centimeters. Okay, all right. Let's go to the next angle. Angle ABC somewhere here. They're saying here, according to the question, angle ABC is 70 degrees. All right, angle ABC is 70 degrees. So what you need to do is to measure 70 degrees using the same compass. So let's put it here at B. Okay, same line. Make sure I see the same line as this. All right. Okay. All right. So we measure 70 degrees. Now, like I said, that you always start from where the line is. So the line is on the left hand side. So we start measuring from the left, counting from the left hand side, 0 up to 70. So 70 is here. So just draw a mark where our line will pass. All right. Then you just draw a line passing through that mark. Okay. All right. That's it. This is also 6.5 centimeters. Remember, the angle used here is 110. Then this one is 70 degrees. All right, 70 degrees. This is the angle. So A, B, so this is C. Then this distance which is up here, you can just measure and just write it down. Okay, look at this, saying measure and write the length AC. AC is from here up to here. We have no problem, we'll answer that one, but let's first connect this. DC. All right. So DC. Okay. So this is the parallelogram. All right. So this is the parallelogram. Now the next question, which is, so this is question 5A. Then B, we are asked to measure AC. So measuring AC, we'll just use our ruler. So this is 0. Okay, 0. So this is 9.5, 9.6, 9.7, 9.8, 9.9. So this is 9.9. Okay? 9.9. So it's 9.9 centimeters as the answer. Okay? 9.9. Next statement is, the next question is question C. Within the parallelogram ABCD, construct the locus of points which are 3 centimeters from A, 6 centimeters from AB, 6 centimeters from C, and the last question is equidistant from BC and CD. So now, I was just reading. This is the question. Sorry. So within the parallelogram ABCD, construct the locus of points which are 3 centimeters from AB, 6 centimeters from C, and the equidistant from BC and CD. So if you have the measurement this side and then you have double points here as AB, what you need to do is that you measure your 3 centimeters from the ruler. You measure your 3 centimeters, which is this one. Then since it's double, which is AB, you go on A, you cut this line, you bisect this line like this. Then the same measurements, you go to B, which is the second point here. You go to B and do the same. Then what you need to do, that you should draw a line passing the top party of these two arcs, or the two arcs you've drawn. Okay, I think this is good. All right, so this is question C, Roman numeral 1, which is 3 centimeters from AB. So everywhere in this line is 3 centimeters from AB. All right, the next question here is 6 centimeters. Now this one is from a single point. So we'll just measure through 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Then since it's from a single point is C, then you should just start from C here. So there's no problem. You can turn your paper and facing you, so that the paper can face you. But if you're, I'm doing this for the sake of the video. I don't want to turn the paper. So you just draw inside the parallelogram. Okay? So this is 6 centimeters from C everywhere. So I'm sure you've noticed that the difference between when you have double points and just a single point. So from C everywhere here is 6 centimeters. So this is question C2. Let's go to equidistant. Equidistant, it means that you should cut the parallelogram into 2 equal parts. Now, look at the question. The question is saying equidistant from BC and CD. BC and CD, which point is common? The common point is C. We look for the common point. That's where we are going to put our compass. The common point is C, so which is here, C. So what you need to do is you open your compass less than half, okay? Less than half. At least just a small length. Then you strike like this. Then with the same radius you've used, go here where you've cut the line. Then strike inside. With the same radius, go on the other point. Okay? And then strike. Let me just extend this one until they cross. Okay, like this. Then you draw a line passing through this point from C. Okay? Like this. That is the equidistance from BC and CD. So this is question C3. C3 equidistant. Now, I think we are done constructing. This question. Now there is question D. Question D is very, very important because it carries 2 marks. The last question here. But it's very simple. Very simple. If you understand how to go about it. Let's get started. A point Z within parallelogram ABCD is such that it is less than or equal to 3 centimeters from AB. So we read statement by statement. Okay? Statement by statement. So they are saying it is less than or equal to 3 centimeters from AB. Less than or equal to 3 centimeters from AB. This line is the line for 3 centimeters from AB. So they're saying it is less than or equal to. So our answer, Z, is this side. So let's eliminate the top part. Let me put this ruler here. So our answer shouldn't be found here on the top part. Should be less than or equal to 3 centimeters from AB. Another statement is here. It is less than or equal to 6 centimeters from C. Less than or equal to 6 centimeters from C. So this line is 6 centimeters from C. Now they're saying it is less than or equal to 6 centimeters from C. So this is C. So this part is less than. So and this part is greater than. So this, there is no answer in this area. This area. So our answer should be in these 2 sides. All right. Then the last statement is it is nearer to CD than BC. It is nearer to CD than BC. If you look at this line, this side is CD, then this one is BC. So this side is CD, and then this side is BC. So they're saying it is nearer to CD than BC. So it is nearer to this side than this side. Then they're saying clearly, indicate clearly by shading the region in which Z must lie. So this is the region. You see how simple this is. So we shade this region. So this is 2 marks. Okay? And that's all. So that's how you solve construction. That's how you construct. So if it's a triangle, a parallelogram, a quadrilateral, a parallelogram is also a quadrilateral. Just that a parallelogram has opposite sides the same. Now, they're just the same, how to construct. So just understand the language and practice. Otherwise, construction, you can finish constructing within 4 minutes if you practice, if you are fast. 4 minutes, you are done. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe and like our videos, share to your friends so that they also benefit from this. All right, see you in the next video.